Alright, welcome back guys. We're going to be reviewing our trades here for the last 2 weeks of April and picking up from where the last video left off. Huge shout out to TD Ameritrade for removing that flag, and they gave me all 3 trades back, which is really cool. So jumped back right into it and had 3 trades for the week, which is pretty cool. So on Tuesday took a trade here on WATT for a 65 gain. Which was pretty cool. I felt really confident about that one. Identified a good setup, took some nice size, and yeah, it worked out really in my favor. I could have played this a little better and let it take some more profits because it did go up a little higher. Ran up to it's like 417 there, so I did sell myself a little short because I ended up getting out at 303. Yeah. So I definitely got in at 290. Great entry. I just, could have let it run up a little more and maximize my profits there. But nonetheless, good trade. Identified a nice setup. Yeah, that was a good one. Made me feel good. And then, oh my God, this one was, dude, this one was terrible. So I had my original entry here at 130, 140. And I hesitated because everything that was going on with oil and the futures, and I was just really hesitant. And then it just started slowly picking up momentum and moving up and up and up. And I couldn't really just get an entry on it. And then next thing you know, we're breaking 2 and we're already up here. So I'm thinking this is gonna run up to maybe like 3, 4. So I thought this little setup was going to be what this was here, and complete another triangle up here and then rip up, but no, yeah, grossly exceeded my expectations there and just played myself. It was so frustrating watching this go up and then missing the entry and then just not being able to capitalize on the opportunity that I knew was going to be there. It was extremely frustrating. Yeah, this one, yeah, look at this, just got caught in the downside. It was terrible. Yeah, terrible, man. Look, this one just makes me sad. And then, bro, this one was so dumb. I was fixing my level 2 screen here at the bottom, because the way I trade is, I don't have a thinkorswim open, but usually I'll have the level 2 under the active trader, and I had the auto send checked, and then with that, if you click on whatever bid or ask, it'll just send the order, and I was trying to resize the bottom menu, and I guess I clicked it and it instantly filled me. Thank God it was only 100 shares, but it was just a dumb fat finger. And then I was like, well, might as well, let's just see what this does, but it didn't really do anything, and I just got out for the 10 cent. It was just so dumb. But for that week, 1 for 3 on the week, down 850, and then no trades in the long account. But yeah, it was just kind of a frustrating week. Very, very, I should have just pulled the trigger when I needed to, and then pulled it when I didn't. Yeah, very frustrating week. I saw so many opportunities just slip by, and I ended up trading the dumbest ones. But yeah, nonetheless, live to trade another day. And this week, really gave me some confidence back, and really kind of put my head back in the game. I took a nice setup here on Tuesday again on RTIX. Yeah, and this one was just identified a good trend, good setup, executed nice, took good share size, and yeah, I was just really happy with this one. Started off the week with the good pace, Yeah, it was a good one. And then this one was nice as well. It had been running the day prior, and once again identified a good setup, took nice share size, and just let the trade work out in my favor. Once again give my confidence. And at this point, I was up 2 trades on the week, and usually I go 2 for 3. So I know coming into this next trade, that statistically I was gonna mess this up. So Oh yeah, and this ended up getting halted, which was wild. Yeah, look at this, insane. But yeah, thank God I got my piece. But yeah, I'm happy with how that one worked out. But yeah, so for this one, I already knew I was 2 for 3 on, or I already knew I was up 2 trades on the week, and usually the third one it makes me go 2 for 3. So I was like, all right, so this one's gonna be, I already had it in the back of my head, so I think that could have fed into it a little more. But out the gates, just ripped up, and it popped up. Once again, missed my entry, so I was kind of chasing, and I didn't really think about waiting for a pullback because it was just running so fast. But I had the right idea as well. I just got caught in the downturn and got stopped out, and it was just so dumb. Because if I would have waited, literally the next 5 minute candle would have been a nice setup, and this ran up all the way to 515, which would have been, yeah, which would have been nice. It would have been, yeah, completely. This was 100% my fault, and I already knew I was gonna do something dumb because, as I said, I was already up 2 trades on the week, and I usually go 2 for 3. Um, so yeah, in the back of my head, it was kind of like planted that I was gonna mess up, but yeah, I shouldn't haven't had that mindset or that thought process. But yeah, this one was just dumb. But nonetheless, I could take the loss, since it was not that big. I should have just let my original stop at 440 hit. I don't know why I moved it down to 434. Um, but yeah, 300 shares. It was manageable. But yeah, the April was kind of a really good month in a sense. First green month on the year, I believe. Um, and really, I kind of feel like I'm starting to figure it out. Kind of feel like I'm starting to see the bigger picture and seeing how some of these moves are playing out. So I'm definitely gaining a lot of insight and like um, internal confidence in my skill set. I guess you can say like I can be confident in the setup I identify, or if I am identifying a certain trend or a certain setup. I'm much more thorough, and I'm much more um, I have a much wider perspective in the sense now. And I think that's just with spending so much time with the markets and being so consistent. But, I definitely think I'm starting to break through something. I've just got, I got a feeling. But, yeah, this was, as I said, 2 for 3 in the week, up 100. Um, yeah, and this last week kind of made me feel really good. But I did take a swing trade on LabD because I was bullish on I was bearish on the biotech sector. I only took 50 shares. I'll size in as it goes up. I got in at 7, or like 690. Or I'll show you guys that in a second. But yeah, looking at these past 2 weeks, 6 trades, up about 100, which is pretty cool. Took no trades in the long account, or haven't. I took 1 trade, but I haven't closed it out. I'll show you that here right now. It's on LabD. Yeah, 50 shares. I got into like 690. Only very small percentage of my account. 11% of my portfolio. Um, yeah, we'll see how this plays out. Target probably around 8, 9. But we'll see how this goes. If the market keeps on dropping, this could keep on running up. But yeah, we'll continue to track this and see how this plays out. But this month, yeah, man, look, just kind of getting it down, progressively picking up momentum. Almost broke through this 1900 resistance. Dude, I was so juiced this day, so juiced, but we took a dumb trade nonetheless. But I feel like we broke this 1800 resistance here. Um, yeah, kind of just had been pinned there for a while. But yeah, if I can get back up to this range very soon, I feel it coming, man. Um, I'm just gonna keep persistent at it and keep on going, and live to trade another day. But I feel like the turning points are near, and I'm getting much better at all aspects of being able to trade, which definitely reinforces the confidence, and as you get better, it definitely is self-reinforcing. So I think we could look at, oh, where did my mouse go? If we look at performance by month. Oh, yeah, this one I want to see. Oh, this is not working right now. I don't know what's going on. I guess we can just end it there. It's not showing up what I wanted to show you guys. Oh my god. Perform. I swear I was just looking at it. Oh, it's because I have the filter on. God, I was like, what's going on? Sorry about that, guys. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Nope, guess not that. Oh, here we go. I apologize. Um, but yeah, April being the first green month, you know, I don't really count that month because, yeah, whatever's. But yeah, stupid trade. But this is going to turn around because this is the beginning of May. But I definitely see, you know, hopefully we can start picking things up and going, you know, have a first $1,000 month. I think that'd be very cool. But I think things are going to start turning around soon, and I definitely feel a little more confident. So hopefully you guys can start seeing some growth in the account here, and yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much. Hope everyone is staying healthy and safe during these times, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.